Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you CPTEC. That's the CPTEC crimping pliers set of 9 pieces are included. We have here ratchet crimping pliers with 7 interchangeable jaws. AWG 22-2. This is 0.5 up to 35 millimeter in square. For ends, for cable lugs, for string connectors. This is a professional tool here for electricians and DIY guys out there. Crimping is a method of joining 2 or more pieces of metal or other ductile materials by deforming one or both to them to hold the other. The band is called the crimp, or it's like a deformity. The crimping tools are used to create crimps. Crimping is used extensively in metalworking. And the electrical connections. This is the main thing beyond here, this crimping pliers. It can be a cold working technique. Crimping can also be a good thing to connect 2 lines together. And the CPTEC crimping plier set consists of a ratchet crimping pliers, a stripping pliers, and a 7 interchangeable crimping jars, so we can change them if we need them. The set is either for versatile crimping works in the workshop, home, and other construction site, and replace several individual tools in one compact set here. This crimping plier set is suitable for the insulated and non-insulated cable lugs, fairing sleeves, flat plugs, and plug sleeves. Through the string connectors, as well as solar and PV connectors too. The large working area of AWG 22 up to 2 or 0.5 to 35 millimeter square allows the maximum flexibility with different cable cross sections, of course. And the crimp jars are made of a special developed nickel chromium alloy, and they are manufactured by a high temperature melting and a pressure punching process. They offer a most hardness of up to 8. They are particularly wear resistant, dimensionally stable, and highly rust resistant, and guarantees a permanently process and a safe crimp result. Thanks to the integrated quick-release mechanism, the crimp jars can be replaced without tools and the push of a button for every side. The presence ratchet mechanism with a crimping force adjustment and a safety release ensure controlled, even crimping operations and significantly increase work efficiency. And the non-slip ergonomically shaped handle and also comfortable work with reduced effort and minimize the hand fatigue, even for long operations. All components are housed in a durable, shockproof tool case that ensures a safe storage and an easy transport. That's either for electricians, craftsmen, and sophisticated DIY users. And it connects all what you need. Quick change crimp tool makes it possible. 7 interchangeable inserts comes to us, 1 tool, many applications, and a lot of comfort. We press them, we change them, and then it goes. Insulated, not insulated, connection joints, no prop. Hooks, metal hooks, no prop. Everything works here with this plier set. This is the CPTEC crimping plier set of 9 pieces. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.